Hello, good morning, and welcome back to my channel, Sir Will AMTV. This morning, we're going to talk about the Ohm's Law. What is Ohm's Law? Ohm's Law is a circuit. Ohm's Law, it is extremely important to understand the methods of use to control the amount of current in a circuit. A simple formula of Ohm's Law is used to show the relationship of current, voltage, and resistance. Ohm's law states that any electrical circuit, the current is directly proportional to the voltage applied to the circuit and inversely proportional to the resistance in the circuit. Both resistance and voltage affect the current. According to the Ohm's law, when the resistance of a circuit is constant, the current can be changed by changing the voltage. Current will increase when the voltage is increased, and the current will decrease when the voltage is decreased. Similarly, when the voltage is constant, current will increase when resistance is decreased, and current will decrease and resistance is increased. The exact relationship of voltage, current, and resistance is expressed of the equation of Ohm's law. We have here the formula of Ohm's law. We have E, I, and R, where E quantity of electrical ratio and volts. The unit is voltage, where I intensity of current in amperes. The unit is ampere. A or ampere, where R amount of resistance and ohms. This is the formula of Ohm's law. Okay, we are going to talk about the series circuit and the Ohm's law. What is a series circuit? A series circuit is one which devices are connected to the so that there is only one path of current to flow. The direction of the current in the wire is the same as the direction of electron movement. For example, we have here the equation. Three resistors connected and series circuit. We have here the R1, R2, and the R3. Okay, series means there's only one path of current to flow from line 1, line 2. Line 1 pass to the R1, then passing to the R2, and then passing to R3 back to line number 2. That is series circuit. Okay, how to compute? Okay, we're going to put the value of resistors. We have here R1 is 3 ohms, R2 is 7 ohms, R3 R3 equals to 2 ohms. Okay, what is the formula in solving the voltage, resistance in the series circuit? Okay, we have here the simple formula. In series circuit, the sum of the voltage drop across individual resistors in the series circuit equal to the total applied voltage. In other words, E total equals E1 plus E2 plus E3. And the I total or total current in the series circuit is I1 equals to I2 equals to I3 and equals to the last current in the circuit. Meaning in the series circuit, the current is the same throughout the circuit, while the voltage is, we can get our total voltage by adding the voltage in resistor 1 or plus voltage in resistor 2 plus voltage in resistor 3. How about the resistance? Okay, R total equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Using our formula, it is very easy to get the value of this voltage, current, and resistance by simple mathematics. Okay, for example, we're going to put the total voltage of this circuit. For example, here we have the total, E total equals 240 volts. Okay. The missing is the I total. Wala pa kay using our formula, meaning this formula we can solve our this problem by using this formula. Okay, meaning E stand for voltage, I stand for current, and R stand for resistance. If you are looking at our voltage, we're going to do is to cover this, and what you can see is E equals I times current times resistance, meaning E equals I times R. If you are looking for the current, we are going to discover this, meaning I voltage divided by resistance. I equals E divided by resistance. And we are looking for the resistance. Frequency is R equals E divided by I, meaning R or resistance equals E divided by I. Okay, in our case, we have here the value of resistors. R1 is 3 ohms, R2 is 7 ohms, R3 is 2 ohms. First, we're going to get the total resistance. Okay, what is the formula of resistance? Meaning, solely the formula. Adding resistance, R total equals R1 plus R2 plus R3. Meaning, R total equals, R1 natin is 3 ohms. 3 plus 7 plus 2 equals 12 ohms. Okay, that is very simple way, no? Ini our total 3 plus 7 plus 2. The total resistance in our circuit is 12 ohms. Okay, how about the voltage here? E1, E2, and E3. Okay. How can we get the value? What's the formula? Meaning E I times R. Okay. The current is still missing. Okay, we're going to take the value of total current. What is the total value? Meaning, ang given is already 240 volts. Ang voltage and then the total resistance is 12 ohms. Meaning, by using this formula, meaning I total, okay, meaning E total divide R total equals, okay, total voltage natin is 240 volts divide by 12 ohms. I total equals, okay, 240 divided by 12, okay, 2 4 2, okay, 0 20 amperes. Total current is 20 amperes. Okay, we already get the value of resistance and the total current. Meaning, we're going to get the value of voltage in resistor 1, resistor 2, and resistance 3. According to the Ohm's law, the total voltage equals E1 plus E2 plus E3. Okay. Para natin ma-prove nga eksakto ang Ohm's law. No? Okay, meaning E I times R. Okay, meaning E1 equals I1 or total voltage. The total current in the series circuit is the same throughout the circuit. Meaning, ang total na this is 20 amperes. Meaning from resistor 1 to resistor 3, the current is the same, no? According to the Ohm's law. I total equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay, meaning E1 equals I total times R1 equals, okay, what is the value of our total current? Is 20 amperes. 20 times 3, okay, equals 60 volts. We go to E2. Okay, I total equal times R2. Okay, the value of R2 is 7, meaning 20 times 7. Okay, 0, 7, 14. Okay, equals to 140 volts. Okay, E3 equals to I total equals times R3. Okay, 20 times 2 equals 40 volts. Okay, let's prove. If it is 240 volts, meaning sa series circuit, E total equals E1 plus E2 plus E3. Okay, our E1 is 60 volts, 60 plus 140 plus 40. Okay, 60 plus 140 is 200 plus 40. E total equals to 240 volts. Okay, that's it, no? E total is the same. Tandaan lang, ang current throughout the circuit is the same. Total voltage is in the plus, no? E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E3. And then resistance is also, you can get the value by adding the total resistance and the circuit. Okay, meaning, our E1, ang nagapass just sa series circuit, now this is 16 volts. Okay, sa 7 ohms, ang nagapass na voltage is 140 volts, and sa resistance sa E3 is 40 volts. Okay, this is very simple how to solve Ohm's law and a series circuit. Okay, another example. For example, given is total current, I total equals 10 amperes. E1, example is 50 volts. E2, 100 volts. E3 equals is 120 volts. Okay, the missing is R1, R2, and R3. Okay, how you can find the value of these three resistors? The given is the voltage and the current. Okay, the centro using our formula is very simple to solve this problem. Using this formula, given is voltage and current, and the missing is resistance. First, we're going to get the total voltage. Okay, E total equals E1 plus E2 plus A3, meaning 50 plus 100 plus 120 volts. A total equals 150 equals 270 volts. I'm correct? 150, 250 plus 20 is 270 volts. Okay. The resistance value is unknown. How we can get the value of this resistance? Okay, we're using this formula. Okay, we cover this. Kita mo na is E divided by R. Meaning, R1. Okay, we have the E1 divided by I1. See? Since the total current in the circuit is the same, meaning current in resistors 1 is 10 amperes, current in resistors 2 is 10 amperes, and current for resistor 3 is also 10 amperes. Meaning E1 50 divided by 10. Okay, meaning it is 5 ohms. 50 divided by 10. Okay, 5 ohms. About the R2. Meaning E2 divided by I2 or I total. Same. Okay, we have here the 100 divided by 10 equals 10 ohms. Okay, R3. Okay, E3 divided by I3. Okay, we have here 120 divided by 10 equals to 12 ohms. Meaning our total, okay, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, we have here 5 plus 10 plus 12. Okay, 22, 27 ohms. Okay, our total equals to 27 ohms. Okay, let's find out. We already get the value of voltage, the resistance, and the current given is 10 amperes. Okay, let's prove if our computation is correct. Okay, let's find out. We'll take the I total, meaning I total equals E total divided by R total. Okay, our total voltage equals to, total voltage is 270 volts. 270 volts divided by R total. Okay, our R total is 27 ohms. Okay, 27 ohms. Okay, meaning 270 divided by 27 equals to 10 amperes. Okay, bumalik, 10 amperes. Okay, to prove that our voltage is correct, let's find out E total. E total equals I total times R total. Okay, total current is 10 amperes, 10 times R total. Our total resistance is 27 ohms. 10 times 27 equals, E total equals to 270 volts. Okay, proof, correct, correct. And then last we have the R total. Okay, R total, takpan, E divided by I. Okay, meaning E total divided by I total. Okay, total voltage is 270 volts. Okay. Divided by total current is 10. 270 divided by 10 equals to R total equals to 27 ohms. Okay, that's it. Very simple how to solve Ohm's law and the series circuit. Okay, our next video is we're going to solve the Ohm's law and parallel circuit. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Okay, once again, this is Sir Well EIN.